Before we begin, I'd like to thank the following members for joining my channel and helping support the community grow more and more. Thank you so much. If you would like to become a member, make sure to push the join button beside the subscribe button. And here comes the video. Hey guys, Oliver Windows here. Today I am back with another video. And today what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be installing Windows Whistler version 2250. We finally reached higher than freaking, I don't know, I guess we're halfway there, you could say. I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and install it. I did a little bit of research on this operating system. I didn't do too much. There's not that much to look at. I mean, I know there's like an updated out-of-box experience and a login screen and whatnot like last time, but I guess whatever we do. Oh, indeed, I know I'm not all halfway there. I'm talking about like in the pre-betas, like the 2200 series out of 2300, you know what I mean? That's what I meant. That's what I meant when I said that. But all right, without further ado, let's go ahead and set the camera up and get it started. I guess I'm going to go ahead and turn the laptop on. Go ahead and pop the disk in while I'm setting everything up. Alright, so there's the boot up for this current version. Alright, so I got the laptop booted up, and now I'm going to pull out my handy dandy papers that I have pretty much every episode. As you can see here, we are now officially in the technical beta instead of the alpha 2250. It is June 29th, 2000. So I'm going to go down here, right click, adjust date / time. I'm going to choose June 29th, 2000. Okay. And I've already put the disk inside the laptop just so I can get my tripod set up properly. So I guess I'll go ahead and just open my computer. All right, open the CD-ROM and run setup. This CD-ROM contains a newer version of Windows than the one you are presently using. Would you like to upgrade to Windows 2000? I seriously can't wait until they consider itself like Whistler on the boot screen and stuff. But as you can see here, it actually considers itself Whistler on the setup. Let's go ahead and push yes and let it run through the setup stuff. All right, now we're in the Windows Millennium install. I remember looking it up. It said to remove anything with the /debug command, else it'll probably blue screen or something. How do I do that? Yeah. Beta Wiki says when upgrading from build to 2223, the system will bug check after the text mode phase of setup. To fix this, omit the /debug parameter from any entries in boot.ini. Computer is now restarting. I'm not exactly certain what the boot.ini thing is. If you guys have any video recommendations, you should totally join my Discord server and let me know in the feedback hub of my Discord server. Yeah, I kind of stole from Windows 10/11. Dang, it's a lot of files it's deleting. Look at that. That's crazy how fast this thing is compared to that laptop that's behind it. And this is an IDE drive. Of course, I think it's considered a new IDE drive because I did buy it. I bought it on eBay, but I don't remember if it was new or not. I'm pretty sure it technically was. Or it could be like, you know, new opened or something. I wanted to make an April Fool's video, but unfortunately I just couldn't. I had plans. I still plan on doing it eventually, but right now I can't. Alright, so now I'm initializing. And okay, well there you go, it's starting to reboot. Awesome, it has USB drivers too. I do know that they went from the C:\WinNT and changed it to Windows. And to all those watching on the stream and on YouTube, make sure you push the subscribe button and the like button. Oh, hey, there's a notification bell as well. You can push it. They're all free, you know. No harm done to it. Oh, hey, we're about to restart, finally. Alright, starting Windows. There's that typical loading bar at the bottom. Windows 2000 Professional, nothing has changed there. Whoa, look at that! Finally, we get that custom login screen just by default. I like how it had that little animation slide in. That was cool. Hello, David Sammons. How are you doing? Awesome. It says Windows Whistler Professional at the bottom. It got rid of 2000. Or 2001. I wish that background would go away because I sort of chose it, and then now it's just permanently there. Okay, well, would you look at that? Internet Explorer doesn't have an icon, and File a Bug Report doesn't have an icon. How interesting. I guess, as you can see, we're now in Windows Whistler 2250. Unfortunately, since this is an active desktop, it's sort of got rid of the bottom. Hey, whoa, this is a little different. Whoa, I'm drawing. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. Well, Explorer crashed. Cool. There's themes. Oh, hey, Explorer actually reset on its own. That's new. It doesn't usually do that. It still considers this Windows 2000 for some reason. Let's see, is there... I don't think anything in here is different. But I will go through from the top. That's the same, that's the same. Whoa, what? It's red. Chateau, coffee bean, fall memories, feather texture, fly away, gold petals, gone fishing, green stone, ocean wave. Some of these actually look different for some reason. But it's probably just me. I don't have a very good memory. Of course, sample is still there. Solar Eclipse is still there. Yep. It's all the same. Next, let's see. Screensaver. So, I think all of these are pretty much the same. Default screensaver. Should just be black. Yep. But the logon screensaver should be Whistler still. Yeah, it's still Whistler. It's the same as the last build, so nothing is different there. This is, all this stuff is new, which is awesome. They're building a new preview window for both of these. The settings is still the same. All that is alright. All that's the same. Professional theme is there. That's true. I didn't even look. That would be under the appearance. Professional. Apply. Oh, wow. So this is the beginning of the watercolor theme. Okay. Of course, in the files, it's still considered business, but still. There's default color and normal, all that's the same. But this actually looks like watercolor a little bit. Wait, what's that? Taskbar start menu. Oh yeah, they introduced the notification thing down there at the bottom. If you have too many notifications, it now has the Windows XP thing where it has the arrow, you click it, and it'll hide all of them. Press hide all items. Nah, that ain't doing anything. Oh wait, there it is. Where did all the icons go? That's so cool. At least it works in this build. It didn't work on the last one. Alright, what else is new in this build that I can show off? I'm actually not certain. Start menu properties dialog and pressing Alt-D. Oh! That's what it did. A new start menu. That's what it means by start panel. Awesome, look at that. Why is this hidden like this? This is the beginning of Windows XP. Look at that. Oh my god, it's got pinball. Heck yeah, even though this was included in like Windows 95 Plus, but still, it's got pinball. I'm gonna play it. I've never made it that far before. Alright, well, save that. I made 3.4 million. Help me remember this high score just in case I play this game again and forget that I played again. And just in case it doesn't save on here. Oh my god, I forgot there was music too. I'm not going to enable it though. Alright, go away. What else is new in this, I wonder, that I can look at? Customize your start menu by adding or removing items from it? Okay, that's cool. And the log off and turn off computers up here instead of down at the bottom. Oh, hey, would you look at that? Dang. Unfortunately, there's no trial music. Shop for music online? What the heck? Make a new folder. This is... Wow, I never bothered to look through this stuff. My pictures. Let's see what happens whenever you look through the pictures. Oh, hey, it shows up right here. And you can zoom in on it as... Okay, how far can I zoom? I'm going to look at the pixel. That's as far as I can zoom. What the heck? Wow. View as slideshow. Throw this file away. That is so neat. Anything else on here that is new or different? I know Internet Explorer is considered an Internet Explorer 6, except it's actually 5.5. Scanners and cameras applet has been removed and replaced with a folder of the same name, which is introduced in the previous build. System information now opens the help and support application. Introduced remote desktop client. Automatic updates has been added. Testing AGP texturing through DirectX diagnostic tool. Report a bug has been updated to Whistler. A start page has been added that takes up the whole screen. How do you enable that? Did I look over that on the thing? Version 5.6. I'm not sure what they're talking about by version 6 then. It's like an active desktop page, but how do I do it? How do I get to that? Right here? Ah, look at this. It's got the new little menu here as well. Does it work like it's supposed to? Oh, the Dell OEM start page. I do see that. Yeah, I thought about trying to enable hidden files, but I can't even find where to find that at. Is it this one? Is this it? That looks like it's it. That makes more sense. Let's see, can I just copy his path? That would make things easier. No, of course, whatever. That makes more sense, okay. Let's try again, shall we? Oh, come on, mouse. I don't have a mouse pad, so it's kind of going all over the place. Start page. Start page. Okay. Yes. Okay. Did it work? What the heck is going on? Problems with this web page might prevent it from being displayed properly or functioning properly. In the future, you can display this message by double-clicking the warning icon displaying. Okay. Oh. What the heck? What is going on? I can log off and turn off my computer, but it's like stuck in this small little menu. Well, I don't think this is supposed to happen. Let me restart. Let me just see if restarting does anything, because it got rid of all my icons, too. I didn't even know Dell had this little program start menu thing. What? I wonder if there's like an archive of a build that has this, that's like, that works completely. Alright, let's log in. Let's see if this full screen thing worked, and if it's possible to disable it and get my icons back. I just hope that, like, if it does work, or if it doesn't work, if I upgrade, that it'll go away and I'll still get my icons. Well, there's my icons. But the active desktop has to start. Well, wow, look at that. It actually remembered what I had open. And there's the start page, the little small box. Well, unfortunately, it didn't work like it was supposed to. But that's okay. That's bound to happen. That's neat. The fact that this stuff even exists to begin with? Wait. Oh. What the heck? I was actually able to put it in full screen there. Oh. Oh god. Now it's in full screen, but kind of bugged. I don't know why this didn't work last time. Nice! Would you look at that? Of course, this up here is supposed to be a picture. These, I guess, I don't think do anything now because it's, you know, busted. These are supposed to have random maps throughout it, you know, random, recent files, recent programs, and whatever else goes here. I just broke it because I clicked the internet button. Oh, hey, it actually opened Internet Explorer. What else happens whenever you click email? Probably Internet Explorer again. So, was this just built into Windows 2000 or Windows Millennium? And it was just disabled by default or something? What's up? What happens? What's the search button? Did Bing exist back then? Search results. Oh, okay, I see. You can search for files or folders named whatever you put here. It's crazy because this start menu fits perfectly. The log off and turn off computer thing fits perfectly with this down here. It's exactly the same. Oh, I didn't even notice these are buttons down here. No. Oh, you know what? It does say there's an Ubi that actually works. Merlin does work on it. Oh, hey, look, it's saved. Cool. Enter. Aw. Dang. Well, how do I open it then? Wait, what just happened? What happened? Help and support is opening. Oh god. MSN internet access. What is going on? I didn't even open this. Oh, it is opening? Why did it error out then? Oh my god. An error occurred while... Yeah, okay. Oh my. Oh, Mac OS, I'm dumb. So is it just gonna stay at a white screen? Am I... Oh no. But it says it works better now. What is that icon down here? What is this? Merlin! Merlin is now in my icons! Oh my god. Hello? Do you not do anything? He doesn't do anything. Yeah, it'll open next Christmas, apparently. This doesn't close Merlin, does it? Looks like it does. No? Aw, yeah, it gets rid of Merlin. That sucks. Let's try it one more time, and then I'm gonna stop the stream and everything. It kinda... Oh, hey, it actually worked this time. But where's Merlin? I want to see Merlin. I said it actually worked this time, but it's still not working very well. Come here, Merlin. He says woo when you open him. Is this just gonna stay this way? It says it was functional. You know, that makes me wonder, should I start clean installing these operating systems? Because I just remembered they have custom, you know, things, but I also remember they also have copyrighted songs, but Merlin will be there. Merlin works, but nothing else does. So, yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Look at all this. Look at all this stuff I've done. This stuff is, you know, still in Whistler. It's probably going to be gone in the next build. We looked through some things. You know, we looked through the new updated Ubi, even though it didn't work for some strange reason. It might be because I upgraded instead of, you know, went through fresh install. But we also enabled the new start menu, which is pretty much the start of Windows XP. And we did a few other things, but yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.